Hello friends. In this video, we will discuss 3 TV remote control applications for Android. For those of you who often lose your remote or have a broken TV remote, these apps can be the best solution for you. Without having to spend a lot of money, all you need is your Android phone and you can control your TV. Let's start the review of the apps right away. Remote Control TV. Remote Control TV is an application to control your TV through your smartphone. This application allows you to change channels, turn on or off the TV, adjust the volume, and perform various other actions with your phone. The application is connected to your TV through infrared signals or Wi-Fi. Android TV. Android TV Remote is an official Google application that allows you to control your Android TV through your smartphone. The application has a simple and user-friendly interface, and is equipped with various features such as user profile settings, playlists, and voice navigation. The application is directly connected to your TV through a Wi-Fi network. Remote Control. Remote Control is an application that allows you to control your TV, receiver, and other devices through your smartphone. The application has complete features such as channel settings, volume control, and even room temperature control. The application can be connected to your device through Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or infrared signals. The application is suitable for those of you who have many electronic devices at home that need to be controlled through a single application. So those were the advantages and disadvantages of the 3 TV remote control apps for Android that we discussed earlier. These apps have various features depending on your needs. So, which app do you like the most? Please share your experience using TV remote control apps for Android in the comments section. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.